Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at a very nice villa on Maprashan Lake called PERLA Villa. And I'm also
Yes.
here again with lovely Pinky.
Hello, welcome to Maprashan. This zone is nice zone because close to Sam Country Club. Just 2 minutes.
Yes.
And then on Maprashan they have a lake, night lake, the park, and you have bicycle lane, jogging
And
track.
also they have many bars and restaurants around there. And not only they have Siam Country Club, they also have Plantation Country Club, Rolling Hills Country Club, and Waterside Country Club, 4 of the major golf courses here in Pattaya, just 2 minutes drive.
This location also close by to 2 big international school, Regent School and Rugby School, which is 12 minutes by car from here.
Yes. And here inside we are at the villa. How many bedrooms?
4 bedroom, 5 bathroom. Land size 114 is around 460 square meter of land, and living space 420 square meter of living space.
Wow. And here we have large swimming pool. How big is the swimming pool?
10 by 4.
Very nice swimming pool. Actually the entrance area, right? Here we have like a chill out area.
You have door entrance, you can come in here. Chill out area next to the pool. You have big garage, long meter wide, so you can park like 3 cars.
How many meters?
9 meter long.
9 for 3 car. And here we have relax space with a fan. Shoe cabinet on this side. Here we have outdoor terrace with some like chairs. Here we have martini seat.
Yes.
With like a jacuzzi function.
Attached in your swimming pool. So sometimes you can swim, sometimes you can just sit and relax with the water. Therapy.
Yes. And over here, I love this feature actually because kind of like a nice outdoor shower with like a tropical style.
Yes, you can present well on that.
Also from the height,
Aha.
good enough for me. So that is good because the land is a little bit bigger. So you have also some garden around here as well. This part is of course the pump house and like a storage room. And here you have like your outdoor barbecue zone. You can access to like living room, which we will show you a bit later.
You have one more room which you can use as a maid room, but this one the owner use as working like
Yeah,
office.
it's an office. Yeah. Here we are inside the garage, 9 meters wide.
Yeah, so actually you can park 3 cars, 2 and 1. But of course, if you have some motorbike or equipment, then your space getting smaller. But you can fit many things: bicycle, motorbike.
If you have a lot of hobbies, then probably this one is the right garage.
Yeah, you can put your tent, tools, and everything.
And also comes with like a automatic gate, rolling shutter gate.
Yes.
Yes, and on the back, like a lot of storage. Even inside, have a refrigerator inside the garage is actually
good to spend time here.
Yes, it's very good to spend time here in the garage.
And in the garage also have electric car charger, like the wire prepare. So if you buy an electric car, you can just use here. You don't have to do anything much.
We also have the direct access to the house, which we will show you now. Alright guys, here we are at the main entrance door. Also comes with a digital door lock. And I know the code already.
Ta-da! Now we're inside the house. This house comes with antique design. Some old furniture match in with the modern luxury house.
So here is like the entrance area. Already get greeted by a big Buddha head. And like a nice table from, I think, north, looks like north of Thailand, no? For decoration and for like giving some water and some flowers for the Buddha.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. And here is also the door to the garage. So you can also access directly here to the garage, which is a very nice feature.
1 bedroom downstairs and other 3 on 2nd floor.
I really like this bedroom. Also comes in a tropical vibe.
Yes,
with like
I can see.
Of course, with like a tropical wallpaper
Uh-huh.
and a golden monkey lamp.
Nice decoration. This can fit well.
And also comes everything fully furnished with the bed, and also here, of course, TV cabinet with a lot of drawers with a golden luxury handle. 55-inch TV. Of course, we also have bedside tables, vanity table here as well. Also a lot of storage for the wardrobe, in total 3 cabinets and drawers.
You also have big balcony here, so you can put the chair set, outdoor chair set to enjoy.
The
outdoor.
view. What is nice also that they have here another guest toilet. So this is one of the 5 bathroom,
Yeah,
right?
so 4 bed, 5 bath.
Yes.
So this is for the guests.
With like a guest toilet. Special function. I like it because you can serve some drinks from here. It's kind of like the bar.
This is nice idea. So you can use this one, of course, as a bar, and this should be like a wine shell or alcohol shell. You need to fill up some alcohol here.
I think probably they have hidden some alcohol below here. Yeah.
Okay, we will not open it.
Yeah.
This is the door to go out. They have Thai kitchen outside where you can cooking with the gas.
It's good for make a pad kapao. It's nice to have like a Thai kitchen with a lot of chili. This one is actually also special. It serves as a kitchen counter and also as a dining table at the same time.
Exactly. So you can like save the space. So you have your cooking island and
Yes.
also counter bar, dining table as together. That's really quite nice idea. And have beautiful lamp on top.
Yes, this one comes here with like a brass countertop. And also what is nice that they have a lot of drawer. Kitchen counter comes with Hevele built-in oven, stove, hood.
And dishwasher here.
Ah, even dishwasher. Okay, very nice.
Yes, hidden dishwasher. This one the owner customized with the green kitchen color, which
It's
is fit with the concept.
Tropical.
Tropical actually.
Yes. And then this one comes with a big fridge with double door.
Some more shell and wine glass I saw upstairs.
Oh, okay. Ah, you check already where are the wine glasses.
Yes, I
Okay,
got invite
that's
for
good.
open house. Another nice zone. This one is high ceiling living room. So
Oh, yes.
come with 8-meter high ceiling
Yes.
with a beautiful designer chandelier. Of course, nice sofa set.
Here
TV.
also a little bit more like a antique furniture. Nice table, big 65-inch TV. This one is also all comes built in. They have a nice like a hidden aircon as well. And if you're looking up, they have basically like a gallery. So upstairs is kind of like a gallery. So they can use
Right.
as a hobby room.
Yeah, you can also use as other living room on second floor.
Or you can make it as a bar.
Yes, or you can use as a bedroom if you need one more bedroom.
Here you can open the sliding door, go out the big door. You can open it actually all the way and then just go out to the balcony, of course. And you have your garden and your outdoor barbecue. That's it about the ground level. And now we guys bring you up to the second floor. Follow us.
With the stone
Surface.
like a stone marble surface on the staircase.
You have a glass here, yeah, glass rail. And you also have a beautiful crystal chandelier. Nice design. And then here is basically the corridor, second floor. So we go here to the gallery.
So this one can be like an optional room. So you can use as a gallery, bar, working room also can be nice. You can also use as one more bedroom if you love to. You can see downstairs.
You can greeting your guest. Hello.
When you will go home.
No, when you come. Or I drink here on the bar.
I want to sleep now when you leave.
And nice, yeah, with the view of chandelier. And also on this house, you have another door here to the outside.
You can see some greenery and mountain area.
Actually, here you have quite like an unblocked view. I mean, like this one is still like everything nature, but still only 5 minutes from Maprashan Lake.
Right.
So if you want all the convenience of restaurant, it's still like a very nice.
Yeah, the balcony is quite big. You can set up as an evening drink.
They also have a Daikin cassette type aircon. You have even another balcony this side. So this one is also large balcony. There will be like master bedroom and you have all this balcony around the house. Also nice to have like a more outdoor space. This house actually comes also with walk-in wardrobe as well as a bathroom.
Yeah.
So you have here like a large sink and a counter. with a lot of more storage below, toilet, and then even inside here you have rain shower as well.
One more bedroom. I would say this one is another guest bedroom. So you have bathroom, rain shower with big long glass. It's nice. Toilet, and this one is sink with the granite top counter, white color. And this one inside the bedroom, you have champagne color built-in of headboard, bed set up, and everything wardrobe over there. And you also have balcony on this bedroom as well that you can sit and see outside view. Built-in TV come with the same color, and a lot of cabinet door and TV. Now we go for the master.
Here we are in the master bedroom.
What about that one?
Can access from both sides. If you want to go into the wardrobe or if you want to go sleep.
I see.
And
Smart
I think
idea.
you want to go to the wardrobe.
So this one is walk-in wardrobe, walk-in closet, let's say. You have built-in of champagne color of built-in with the glass door. Is beautiful, this one. So you can see yourself when you dress up. With another glass, good idea. You have
And then-
some more built-in here for the decoration. This one is the master bed.
What is like working desk, vanity table,
I would say working day.
and vanity table.
Yeah, plus
one.
vanity table.
Some more storage here as well. You have here
Big balcony.
big balcony, but the access to the balcony will be on that side.
So you
Yeah,
cannot
this
access from here.
This is the window, but here you can access from that side. TV, cabinet, champagne and gold. So a lot of also drawer here. 55-inch TV, all with the built-in like this.
Yes, and the headboard is beautiful.
Yes, glass color, and then they have this.
What is this color again?
It's not glass color, it's glass.
Rose gold color.
Rose gold glass.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is the door where we see at the front, so
Yes.
you can exit also from the bed immediately. If you're too sleepy, you don't need to walk along the walk-in closet.
And here you can also open to the balcony as well, and you can even walk all the way around here on the balcony. I mean, like, this balcony is huge. You can also make a barbecue here on this balcony actually. This one is on top of the garage, so that's why you have like a lot of space.
Yes, just you can do many things here.
If you like a lot of outdoor space, I think this house is probably a good choice.
Good choice. So this one is master bathroom.
Yes.
It's quite huge. Oh my god. I mean, like, you can have one more bedroom here. Oh my god, it's so big. So you
Actually,
have-
this one reminds me of like a bar counter. So can you also serve the drinks
Yeah,
here?
it's good idea to drink here and sleep around here. It's quite easy concept.
So the thing is, here will be some like mirrors coming down. I think they are not here yet, but it will be here this open bathroom with like a down hanging mirror.
So you have standing bathtub. It's beautiful. Imagine it come with the bubble, champagne, and then all things served over there. As Pia mentioned about bar, then this perfect place.
Yes.
Toilet.
Toilet, and then
Wow.
you have a huge shower, rain shower with a lot of space.
Yeah, this rain shower seems like a one bed, no? It's quite big.
Some bathrooms are smaller than this shower, to be honest.
I think so.
Alright guys, so this was the house in Perla Villa. Nice house, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom.
17.9 million baht with all fully furnished.
And you can still like customize the house to your liking, you know, like every house also looks a little bit different, like can be like according to your wishes. This house in Maprachan, nice location. If you're looking for like a luxury house also with a lot of outdoor space, so this is probably like a nice choice. So if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, check out the listing link in the video description below. As always, see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.